Hi guys, welcome back to my new YouTube channel. So today we're gonna make a rubber band fire slime. So you're gonna need glue, any color glue, shaving cream, and laundry detergent. And it includes rubber band. Pour in the glue, shaving cream. Add rubber bands. Mix. Now pour laundry detergent. Mix.
1 hour later.
Anyways, so I'm gonna add some shaving cream to my hands. I could dig in here. Ooh. Add in more shaving cream to my hands, or I can mix it. Good. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This looks really cool when you stretch it. Get this to 100 likes, and I'll do a face review.
Boy, if you don't...
Pinch of orange, a pinch of red, and a pinch of yellow.
Hi. Okay.
Now mix.
Psych!
Okay, so anyways, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification, because we're gonna put more slimes in this big slime. So let's add our small rubber band slime. So we got our rubber band slime. We're gonna put it in the garbage. Not the garbage. Well, my slime. My big slime. You ready? Deep in it. Go deep. Deep in it.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
You can probably see it. A little bit of the white and rubber bands. I will always miss it. Oh, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.